Belgian Chinese Tea Art Center is a center for tea. In our center, we provide all kinds of training programs, for example, tea sommelier certification programs. This requires very serious study, okay, and commitment. Because the first things you learned is not about tea. The first thing you learned is about professional protocols. And this part is becoming more important since the new regulation implemented started from the 1st July. Because either on the tea package or the tea explanation or on your website, there are certain words we are not allowed to use. Reason is very simple. It does not matter what kind of title you want to call yourself. Remember, we are not doctors. So any word related with health, for example, health benefits, for example, detoxification, anti-aging, helping sleeping, anti-stress, or diet, improve immunity system. All these words related with medical practice, we are not allowed to use on the package, on the product explanation, on the web shop. So if you have those words mentioned in your products and in your product portfolio or your web shop, my suggestion is revisit and change the word. Because right now, they try to milk the milk from chicken at this moment. So be careful with the words you use, because professional protocol is the first thing you need to know as a tea sommelier, tea master, or tea person, or tea specialist. There are certain things you are not allowed to do. Let's draw the lines of legal framework that you can enjoy all the freedom in the middle. But of course, we are facing difficult times and we have to step out and help each other. Contact me if you have any questions. I will be able and happy to help you with it. This is Mei Lan from Belgian Chinese Tea Association Chinese Tea Art Center in Antwerp.